Listen here, this one. Tan squared 60 degree minus 2 tan squared 45 degree minus cot squared 30 degree plus 2 sin squared 30 degree plus 3 by 4 cosecant squared 45 degree. I will explain the first classes, the ratios of trigonometric ratios in the table. Theta 30 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. All of you know sin, cos, tan. So sin 0, 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. So next reverse law 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. This one is 0. So sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. 0 by 1 equal to 0 by 1 equal to 0 by 1 equal to 1. So 1 by 2 reciprocal into 2 cancel 1 by root 3. So next 1 by 2 reciprocal into 1 by 2 root 2 by 1 equal to 1. So root 3 by 2 into reciprocal into 2 by 1 root 2 cancel root 3. 1 divided by 0 equal to infinity. The table so this table is very important. Next, cot squared 30 degree. Cot squared 30 degree equal to cot squared 30 degree. Cot squared theta equal to what? Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equal to the reciprocal of tan theta. So cot squared 30 degree. Cot squared 30 degree equal to 1 by tan squared 30 degree. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. Cot theta equal to the reciprocal of tan theta. So cot squared 30 degree equal to 1 by tan squared 30. Tan 30 equal to 30 degree tan 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 by root 3 into root 3 3. This 3 goes at numerator equal to 3. So cot squared 30 degree equal to 3. Next, cosecant squared 45 is given. Cosecant squared 45, cosecant squared theta equal to 1 by sin squared theta equal to 1 by sin theta equal to sin 30 degree. Cosecant squared 45 degree equal to 1 by sin squared 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin squared theta, sin squared 45 equal to 1 by root 2 equal to 1 by root 2 into root 2. 2 goes at numerator 2 by 1 equal to 2. So carefully substitute the ratios. Tan squared 30, tan 60 degree root 3 whole square minus 2 tan 45 1 square 1 square minus cot squared 30 already find this one 3 root 3 cot squared 30 equal to root 3. So root 3 whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 root 2 whole square. So plus minus cancel. So 1 is 1 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 2s are 4 plus 3 by 4 root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. So 1 2 is 2 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2 2 2s are 4. Remaining minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here LCM 2. So 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 equal to 2 times 2 multiplied 2. 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are minus 4 plus 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1 time. 1 into 1 equal to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 2 divided by 2 1 times. 1 into 3 equal to 3. So 3. Positive number 1 plus 3 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. Okay, all of you understand it? So here carefully listen. Cot squared tan 30. Tan 30 cot theta equal to the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot squared 30 degree equal to cot 30. So cot 30 tan 30 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 goes at the top. So root 3. So root 3 இங்க நாம போட்டுக்கணும். அதே போல இதை எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosecant 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2 goes at the top. Numerator root 2. So root 2. So இங்க substitute பண்ணோம் நாம ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கிறதுனால ஸ்கொயர் போட்டு substitute பண்ணி simplify கேர்ஃபுல்லா simplify பண்ணுங்க. So finally you get the answer 4 minus 4 by 2 equal to 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. All of you understand? This table is very important. So this one is very important. Cot theta equal to the reciprocal of tan theta. Cosecant theta equal to the reciprocal of sin theta. இந்த வேல்யூ எடுத்து இங்க substitute பண்ணுங்க. So again LCM 2. 2 divided by 1 2 times 2 2s are minus 4. 2 divided by 2 1 time 1 1 is 1. 2 divided by 2 1 times 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. This one is the answer. All of you understand it? Okay, thank you.